hello, hello, hello. I am going to make some spaghetti with meatballs, chicken meatballs. Oh yeah, spaghetti, chicken meatballs. Oh yeah, it's spaghetti tonight for dinner. Oh yeah, with some garlic. And with some onion. And some chicken meatballs. Here we go. So in is gonna go the diced tomatoes. In goes the diced tomatoes. Give it a good stir. Okay, let me put the flame up a little more. There we go. And then I got the garlic and the onions. I know it's a lot of onion. But we like the onions. Come, little onions. Come, garlic. There we go. All of it. All of it, please. There we go. All the onion. All the garlic. And then the tomato sauce. Oh yeah. Let me see if that's enough. Is that? It's so low, right? There we go. All right. Then we just mix it all. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Oh, let me lower it a little. Okay, so I'm gonna finish mixing, and I'll probably put some more of the spaghetti sauce. The meatballs are in here. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, it smells good. I'm putting it all. I don't think there's none left. Just gonna put a little bit of water and rinse it out. Oh. Okay, that's the last of it. Gonna put some garlic powder. Even though we put garlic, still gonna put some more powder because that's how I like it. Then some basil. There's really no amount, it just depends how you like it. I like to put some black ground pepper, if I could open it. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stir it up. And here goes the Italian seasoning. As much as you like. As long as, you know, you don't overdo it. Okay, now that everything is mixed, seasoned, well, actually to my liking. I like it nice and saucy. I don't like dry spaghetti. Okay. So once this is all incorporated, I'll just go ahead and cover it up. Let it marinate and all the spices. But now I'm going to turn off the stove and just wait. Maybe like about 5-10 more minutes. And then we'll be having some dinner, spaghetti and some chicken meatballs. So this is my plate. My king, my husband, he wanted his meatballs separate from the spaghetti. But not me. I want it in the spaghetti, please. Not me. I want it in the spaghetti, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's good for me. Now this is his plate. Let me tell you, it looks so yummy. Yummy.